Right, next question number 3, the A part, matrix algebra, one of the easy problem in pure maths paper. But the main issue, the next one is complex numbers. That's your work. Very first, we'll see this question. My essay model 1, question number 3. A is there, 2, 1, 4, minus 1, the elements B, C, all these three matrices, the square matrices, 2 by 2 the order, 2 rows and 2 columns, right? So this question is where K is a constant real number, 2B minus C, A into 2B minus C equal 6 times I, right? 6 times I. Then find the K value first part. So first we complete this equation type to find the K answer. So first we find the 2B minus C. You know the B, what is 2B? The matrices multiply by a scale, multiply by a number and subtract the C. Okay, we'll see that one first. 2B minus C equal 2 times B41306 minus C415 minus 4K, right? So multiple every elements by 2 and subtract this. 1 times 2 subtract 1, 1, right? Here 6 minus 5, that is 6 plus 5, 1. Here 0, then plus 4. Here 12 minus K, right? 12 minus K. This is 2B minus C, the matrices. 2B minus C, 1, 1, 4, 12 minus K. So hereafter multiple this matrix by the matrix A. So therefore, what is A into 2B minus C? So what is that? A4, 2, 1, 4 minus 1. This multiple with the other answer 4, 12 minus K, right? So now the important part of the matrix multiplication. This also 2 by 2, here also 2 by 2 can be product. So how the matrix multiplication method? Here row wise and column wise multiple and add. So can you say this is the answer? Rows and columns, 1 times 2, 2 plus 1 times 4, 4, right? First element. Next here 2 times 1, 2 plus 1 times 12 minus K. And here rows and columns, 4 times 1, 4 minus 4, right? Next this into that 4 minus 12 plus K is it, okay? And simplify. Therefore finally the answer is, if I show here, the answer 6. Here 14 minus K, right? 14 minus K. Here 0. The other one is K minus 8, right? K minus 8. Or minus 8 plus K. This is the answer. A into 2B minus C, right? A into 2B minus C. So later part to find the K answer, this equal to 6 times of identity matrix, 6 times of I. Hence we can evaluate the simplify or solve for K answer, right? So I show here, therefore if A into 2B minus C equal 6 times I, 6 times I. So this is 6, 14 minus K, 0, K minus 8. Okay, this equal 6 times I. What is 6 times? What is I means? Identity matrix. Main diagonal 1, others are 0, right? So now simply you can solve when two matrices are equal, corresponding elements are equal, right? So here 14 minus K equal to 6 into 0, right? So 14 minus K equals 0. Is it okay? 14 minus K equal to the 0. Is it therefore K is 14? Is it K equal 14. Somewhere missed that. 6 times I, 6 times I. That's correct, yeah, okay, therefore it's correct, right? Yes, that's correct. Otherwise, K minus 8 equal to 6. Then also K is 14, right? K is okay, 14. So then for hereafter, yeah, hence find the A inverse, deduce the A inverse, right? A inverse answer, how the inverse pattern, how to find the inverse using this. So now this is clear, right? This is clear, okay? You know the K is 14. This part is clear. A into 2B minus C equal to 6I. So how to collect from this to find the A inverse? We multiple by A inverse both sides. Multiple by A inverse. A into A inverse multiple. Here A inverse multiple 6I. Okay. So you know A inverse and A is I. That is one or unity I, right? This is I into 2B minus C. Here 6 times A inverse. If a matrix multiple by I, the answer matrix itself. So A inverse multiplied by I, that is A inverse, that's a 6, so 6A inverse. Here the same method, I multiplied by 2B minus C, I multiplied by 2B minus C, that is itself 2B minus C is 6 times A inverse. Therefore, the A inverse answer 1/6 of 2B minus C, right? 1/6 of 2B minus C. So you know already what is your 2B minus C and simplify. Therefore the answer is A inverse equal to 1/6. Check your previous answer for 2B minus C, that is I think 114 minus 2, right? 114 minus 2. Therefore this is the value of this inverse. How to find the inverse in this question, one of the important problem in any exams or pure maths paper, right?